Can I show you something? Hold my phone. Pretty cool, huh?
Why are they not allowed to?
No, I'll sit right here.
Why are they not allowed to, why they don't allow to swim? Dangerous, they say dangerous. What is the dangerous?
The rocks. It's
Rocks?
the rocks underneath. Yeah. Most likely some people got hurt, and that's why they put rules up. Before there was swimming allowed. No climbing, no swimming, dangerous. Dangerous. But pretty cool, huh? Like
You need to buy the drone. No.
I have a drone.
You have?
I have it in my backpack.
You didn't bring it here?
I didn't bring it because
If it's broken, it's very easy to drop.
it's not flying correctly. Yeah.
Something is broken.
Yeah. I have to plug it into a computer, figure it out, and I haven't sat down, and I know this is like a beautiful place to do it.